to today's video. How many weird looks do we think I'm gonna get? I've already filmed this twice. I filmed like half of it and I had it the wrong way. So we're back for round two. We are doing a Christmas home tour with me today because it doesn't matter how many times I decorate the same space for Christmas, the following year I remember where I put stuff. So I hope you like this, but it's mainly for my brain next year. I can watch this video and remember where I put everything and where I want to change stuff, and, you know, where I'm probably going to put the thousands of new things that I find next year. But anyways, I'm so happy that you're here. Make sure you hit that like and subscribe button down below. If you haven't watched our... Ow! Oh, there's a pokey leaf. If you haven't watched my Christmas decor with me, that is also on our channel, so be sure to check that out and you can see the process of all of this that we're about to see. I've also added quite a few things since you guys have seen it last, so I hope you love it. And it's a little messy, but we live here, so come on. So once you come in, this is our entryway. Oh, hi Pongo. Here's my tripod. I don't usually film much right here just because the lighting we have, kind of like, whatever that's called, like the cool glass in our door, so the lighting's not the best. But this was not decorated last time I showed it to you guys, so I decorated that skinny little tree, added my little nutcracker, isn't it so cute? And then this piece right here, I'm gonna set you up on top of you. This sign, I finally got Drew to put up for me again. Like I said, sorry, bad lighting with our door, but it says, "Have yourself a Merry Little Christmas." I got that when I worked at Pier 1 in college. I've had it ever since. Absolutely love it. I'm so obsessed. And it's 9 days till Christmas when I'm filming this. So we've been changing our countdown. That's kind of my little routine. When I get her out of bed in the morning, we change it. We come out, we change the countdown. We tell Punga how many days till Christmas, and we start our day. So, we've also gotten so many cute Christmas cards. Tell me, how do you... Oh my gosh, there's a bug up there. Guys, I can't keep up with this. Anyways, how do you store your Christmas cards? Like, we've never had a big enough house for me to add something else to the wall or have another space. Usually they just go in our fridge, but now we have a little bit more room. So give me all of your ideas. Do you make something? Do you have like a little, I know there's little wreaths that you can stick them on, little holders. What do you do? Let me know in the comments below. I need all of your ideas. I'll show you a few that we've gotten so far. They're so right now, I kind of just have them set up on this little table here, but aren't they so cute? The ones with photos of our family and friends are on our fridge, but then there's a close-up of our sign. Oh, it's so cute. I'm obsessed. That was probably like the best purchase ever. But yeah, this is our little entryway with our little tree there, nutcracker. Really like how it turned out. To the right, when you walk in, we have my boutique room. A lot of you know that I have an online boutique, so this is where it's all ran. This is where I ship things, and I have it all kind of set up like a little store. So I'll bring you inside. Come check it out. All right, so here we are. I've got all of our clothes here. Like I said, I also ship from here, so it's a mess 9 times out of 10. But this is also where I do my live videos on Facebook. So it got its own little cute little tree this year. It's a white one with all the pink ornaments, which you guys helped me decorate. And it was our Walmart shop with me. That all came from Walmart. I think in total that was like a $60 tree, including the ornaments. So I was super, super excited about it. Super proud of how it turned out. But this is our boutique room. I love it in here. I spend most of my time in here, so I tried to make it as just homey and cheerful as possible. And of course, all the beautiful clothes, which actually my dress, we have a couple left for sale too. So I will link that down there if you like this beautiful thing. And let's keep going. Down the hallway we go. We have one of my most favorite rooms for Christmas bathroom. You guys, this is the best $10 I've ever spent. Like, I'm constantly putting it up all year long. And then I don't know that this was when I filmed last. Super cute little joy sign. Got some other little things here. Just wasn't centered. But yep, there's our cute little Christmas bathroom. Absolutely love it. You come back down the hallway and you have our living room. How our house is set up is very you guys have seen, I think you've seen most of this. I got a lot of comments on our Christmas decorating, how I did those little garlands. And they were actually a big garland from Hobby Lobby that me and my mom cut. And I cannot tell you how many times we dropped the string and all of the ornaments fell off. Like, it was a literal process. So I'll give you a close of all this good stuff. And the crafts that me and Hazel just did. And then, like I said, we have like the photo Christmas cards on our fridge. But me and Hazel had a little craft day the other day. So these are all of her little hands. She wasn't a fan of me tracing her hand, but she thought gluing the hands together was the most hilarious thing ever. So all we did was just cut out, I just traced her hand once and then retraced it myself because she was not having it, and then glued them, then added a little ribbon. I thought this was super cute, like little gifts too, but it looks adorable on our fridge for now.
Should old acquaintance be forgot and never brought to mind? Should old acquaintance be forgot and days of romance?
This little sign is brand new this year. It says fresh gingerbread baked daily, which that's not true, but this actually I stole from my mom when we moved. I think he's so cute, looks really, really cute in the kitchen. And then this next room is not one that I don't think you guys have seen at all because the lighting is so bad in here. That's all we got. Do we have more? Oh, we have more, okay. So, like I said, the lighting is just not the best, but this is like our little mud room slash 3D printer room. But I did add, this lights up at night, some garland, poinsettia garland up there, little snowmen and pillows, and then this cuteness. But I didn't share it in the video just because the lighting is so bad, so I thought I'd just give you guys a quick little walkthrough of that, and then that's what leads you back into the kitchen. I'm trying to give you guys like my best idea of how it's all set up, because we've had a few questions on like, you know, how it actually works. So kitchen, turn around, like I said, very open floor plan. Then we have our like dining room area. So I think you guys saw all of this in the Decorate With Me, but I have a question. So we have this wall here, and I really want to do like shelving there because I really want more spaces to decorate. And I saw on Pinterest like this wood shelving, and we have like all the dark wood in our house. So I thought it'd be really pretty to add dark wood shelving there. What do you think? Has anybody done that? Is it a good idea, bad idea? Or, you know, give me some ideas for this wall because it's a little too blank for my liking. I also thought like a, what are those called? Like a little end table kind of thing. But the way that our table is set up, it doesn't give a ton of room on the sides. So I don't know. Give me your ideas. What should I do with this space here? And then back at the living room. And then you walk into the master bedroom here, which I also showed you guys. We still have Hazel's bassinet in here. She's been in her room since she was 3 months old, but we still have it in here because we have nowhere else to put it. And then we've got garland there. I love my ladder. And then we have our master bathroom right here. I didn't decorate any of that this year, but oh, you best bet next year is happening. So also give me your best bathroom decor. I'm ready for it, y'all. But that's the master bedroom as well. I also love how this turned out in my plaid chair. I've had so many questions on that chair. So this actually came from Amazon. It took forever to get to me, but it's one of my favorites. I'm gonna be completely honest, nobody really sits in this. It's strictly for looks. I can't tell you how sturdy it is, but I get so many compliments and questions on where I get this thing. So Amazon, I think I just typed in like buffalo check chair, and it's a navy and white. It's really, really cute, and I've had it for about 4 years now. So, I mean, for decoration, it's lasted a while. These are just quick little Christmas home tour. I hope you guys loved it. I've had quite a few questions on how things are laid out here, and a lot of people in my shopping group have wanted to see like our laid of our home since we've moved in, and I just haven't done it. So thank you so much for watching. I wish you all a very Merry Christmas. This is our last video before Christmas. Can you guys believe Christmas is on Saturday. Like, that went so fast. But next Monday, me and Drew are doing all of our stocking stuffer shopping at Buc-ee's. If you're from Texas or you've been to Texas, you know what that is. I cannot tell you how excited I am. Like, I've never been so excited for my stocking in my life. So that'll be next Monday. So make sure to like and subscribe, and we'll see y'all then. Bye.
Is a hand of fine. We'll talk a cup